In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a video to 9:16. If you're creating content for vertical platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts, the 9:16 ratio is essential. It fills the entire phone screen and makes your video look clean and professional. I'll walk you through the process in CapCut and share a few helpful tips along the way so your final export looks great. Start by opening CapCut on your device. Once you're on the home screen, tap New Project. This creates a fresh timeline where you can work without affecting any other edits. If you're prompted to allow access to your photos or videos, go ahead and grant it so you can bring your clip into the editor. Next, import your video. Browse your gallery, select the clip you want to convert, and confirm to add it to the timeline. You'll see a preview at the top and the clip laid out below. Give it a quick play to make sure you've grabbed the right footage. Now it's time to set the correct aspect ratio. Tap Format or Ratio in the toolbar, depending on how it's labeled on your device. From the list of options, choose 9:16, also called vertical. Instantly, the preview area will switch to a tall frame that mirrors how your audience will see it on their phones. After setting the ratio, adjust the video position so it looks its best in the new frame. Use 2 fingers to pinch and zoom to crop in closer, and drag with 1 finger to reposition the subject. If your original video was horizontal, parts of the edges will be cropped, so center the most important action and keep heads and text away from the top and bottom edges. Scrub through the timeline and make small adjustments wherever needed, especially if your subject moves. This quick pass ensures your framing is consistent from start to finish. When you're happy with the framing, it's time to export. Tap the export button at the top right. For most platforms, 1080p is recommended because it balances quality and file size nicely. If you see options for frame rate or bitrate, keeping the frame rate the same as your original clip and choosing a standard or high bitrate will preserve more detail. Start the export and let CapCut render the video. Once it's done, your 9:16 video is ready to share. That's all there is to it. Open CapCut, start a new project, import your clip, set the format to 9:16, adjust the framing, and export at 1080p for a crisp vertical video.